chest. Fingers flying, making patterns twist. Susie's voice breaking through the haze. Crochet forever in a woolly maze.
Hello, how are you? It's Susie's Crochet Chat, place where we talk about yarn, hooks, tips, tricks, everything in between. I thought I'd take you this morning along with me, just while I get my coffee ready and just kind of do a video talking to you guys about different things. And I hope I'm not going to make you sick as I go over here to where my coffee station is. But as I told you yesterday, I'm going to try to finish the Santa hats, the elf hats, whatever you want to call them, because, you know, we only have one more week for Christmas in July, and I really want to get these projects done before Christmas, because they were something I talked about last Christmas and that I am making for certain people who ordered them. So that's how I'm going to do that. And sorry about this. So also what I've been doing is, let me just take a sip here. First sip of the morning is just like the best. That's just me. Anyway, I've been sitting here at the table and I have this little, I have one of those painting boards, and this is where I've set up to do the watercolor. I'm going to go through the book with you. Maybe I'll even show you the most ugliest thing on the planet that I did, but it's just it's just a book. It's just a little, you know, practice book, I guess you want to say. But the series, and this was Andrea Nelson. And the first one I showed you this already was this. It says hello, or it just says summer. Then we did this one. That one turned out cute. The sunflowers I liked. This next one is absolutely horrible. I can't even believe I'm going to show you, but they're supposed to be seashells, and it was so awful. I hated doing this. So once I started, it was one of those things where I was like, you know what? I don't particularly care for this. I'm going to just throw it on there. And so here it is. Ugh. But the next one got better. I really like the next one. And they're little ladybugs. I really like those ladybugs. They were so cute. Then we did sea urchins. Oh, this was cute. The pelican going after the fish. That was cute. This one, it was so different. It was just colors, and so it was just like a more colory thing. And it turned out cute. It just didn't fit the whole thing, but it's okay. I really like this one. I thought this turned out really good. They're strawberries. I love this one. Thought it was really cute. Oh, then we had the mushrooms. They were okay. And then the last one I did. There's one more that I have to do today. I should get it done because tomorrow she'll have another one out. But this turned out okay. And it says blueberry lime jam. So that's where I'm at. And so I enjoyed those so much. I am enjoying that almost as much as like crocheting. It's almost like I really feel like that's all I want to do is watercolor. And, but I'm going to, you know, crochet is everything. So I'm going to continue to crochet. So, yeah. I don't have anything crochet-wise to show you. Oh, yes, I do. But I'll have to do that in a short because it is Temperature Blanket Friday. I forgot about that. Oh, good thing I'm doing this. I would have remembered once I went in the living room. But I wanted to do this video just to do a video. You know, some people can't comment on my short and they can comment on video. So it's for you. You know who you are. Tomorrow, Dave has the craft show. It's the Peach Festival. And so we'll be there. Should be fun. Yeah. Nothing else really going on. So anyway, this is still not a very long video, and that's okay. So like, subscribe, go over to my Facebook page, Susie's Crochet Chat, and join the group there, post pictures. There's a community tab or page here that you can, if you go to like my YouTube channel, and then you can scroll past where it might say videos, shorts, I think it'll say community. If you click there, you can post pictures too for YouTube. So I'd love to see what you're doing, and it doesn't have to be crochet. As you see, I'm doing some watercolor. It can be cooking. It could be anything. So, you know, let's see what's going on. And I will talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye.
Midnight oil burning stitches remain, whispering threads holding back the strain. Susie's voice guiding, I'll never quit. Pattern's rough, but it's got hope.